Hello, let me show you how to open and close recovery mode on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. In order to go to the recovery mode, first we need to turn off our device. So press the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu, and then let's go to power off. Let's wait for the device to turn off. Once it is off, you need to press and hold the power button and volume up button. But once you see the Xiaomi logo, you want to just hold the volume up button, so you don't have to hold power button after that. So press and hold both buttons, power and volume up. And now we can release the power button and keep holding volume up. And soon we should be in the, there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. Over here we can press volume down and volume up in order to navigate. And if you want to confirm your choice, you want to press the power button. In order to close the recovery mode, we need to simply choose reboot option, so make sure that reboot is selected and press power button, and then confirm your choice by pressing once again power button to choose reboot to system. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!